Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarilla, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming into the conventional form of treatment. So what are the things or what are the medications that they will be giving you in allopathic form of treatment for insulin resistance or for your type 2 diabetes in PCOS? Remember that if you're going to a doctor with your HbA1c report where it is 5.8 or 6.1, you're in your pre-diabetic stage, and usually what they advise is they would not give you any sort of medications. They will tell you to exercise properly, work out nicely, eat proper food, decrease your carbohydrates, increase your sleep cycle or have better sleep cycle and better lifestyle. And if you're not following any of these advices, you can jump directly from the pre-diabetic stage into the diabetic stage, and some people can jump from the in a zero diabetes, there is no chance of getting diabetes, to directly diabetic stage where they can land up with the HbA1c of 11 or 12. We have seen cases like that. And even after taking 1000 mg of medicines also, they are not, or 1 gram of medication as we can say, they are not able to manage their blood sugar levels. See, lifestyle is very important if you are someone who wants to treat their type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. These medications are especially for type 2 diabetes. No medications, usually good doctors would not prescribe medication for insulin resistance or people who are in pre-diabetic stage, right? So metformin or TZZs or other medications like glimepiride, of course they are meant to decrease your blood sugar level, but they do come with a tagline of side effects. What are the side effects? They can cause headaches, they can cause nausea, they can cause vomitings, they can cause dizziness. On a longer run, they can cause B2 deficiency, B6 deficiency and B12 deficiency. And B12 deficiency on a longer run can cause megaloblastic anemia, which is decrease in your blood count or your RBC count. And then, RBCs are there, but they are usually bigger in size, so bigger RBC will not perform properly like your normal RBC. So there is problem, there is megaloblastic anemia because of vitamin B12. Apart from all of this, on a longer run, if you are using these medications, you can have kidney or heart related diseases. And also metformin has a problem, or it creates a problem where your muscle starts to deplete or depreciate. Remember, as long as you're having muscle, you have a chance to get your diabetes reversed. But if your muscle starts depreciating or depleting, your diabetes cannot be cured. You have to go into insulin shots. So this is the problem with the conventional form of treatment. So we need a form of treatment that will cure your PCOS, that will cure your type 2 diabetes, or will target your insulin resistance, that will target your androgen level so that your insulin resistance is not maintained. And also it will holistically approach you with a proper set of medication that treats you mentally as well as physically. So that medication is nothing but homeopathic form of medication. It is safe, it is effective in nature, it does not have any sort of side effects, the treatment options are good. And also, after using homeopathic medications, you will start noticing change in the menses. That is, menses become very regular in nature. Your insulin resistance, whatever you developed, your HbA1c levels will drastically come down. You will be able to manage, after the homeopathic form of treatment is finished, you will be able to manage your blood glucose levels without any medication. Your lifestyle should be improved. Remember, no matter how much homeopathic medication you give, if you're not changing your lifestyle, you will again have a recurrence of it. So that is something you have to be noted. And also homeopathy has an upper hand because there is no low recurrency rate compared to allopathic form of treatment. And in allopathic form of treatment, there is no cure to diabetes, whereas in homeopathic form of treatment, after taking timely medication and taking the time to treat you properly, after giving you conventional and anti-miasmatic drugs, diabetes can be reversed through proper diet, exercise and homeopathic form of medication. So we will be able to control your PCOS and your insulin resistance or your type 2 diabetes. So we will be able to relieve you of the present symptoms, cure your disease as such or your syndrome as such, and then prevent future recurrences. So homeopathy is the best and the safest choice of medicine. If you're someone who's suffering from PCOS, insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes or any other female related problems, you can contact Fidicus Homeopathy. Here we have two kinds of consultation options. One is the online consultation option and the second one is the offline consultation option. If you're someone who's staying nearby us, you can contact us offline. If you're staying far from us, you can contact us online either through audio consultation or through video consultation. And after consultation and the investigations verification, especially to the online clients, the medicines will be sent to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. If you're staying elsewhere across the globe, it can take 48 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you want to get in touch with us or contact us or take a doctor consultation, or if you have any sort of queries, we are here to help you out. You can contact us on this number, messages or WhatsApp us. And if you want to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, please do check our website www.fidicus.com. We have discussed how homeopathy is the best choice of medicine for treating PCOS or these lifestyle disorders as such. So why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow 3 principles. First and foremost thing, and very important, is that we are already having good success rate in treating PCOS, PCOD, female related problems. And apart from that, the transparent treatment, that is, there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be clearly stating you about your prognosis. And the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. Here we will be answering all of your queries, and also if there is any sort of myths that you have continuously put into your head, we will be busting all of your myths with the facts, and we have qualified doctors here. So if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.